In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Yahoo Mail shortcut to desktop for quick access. This is a quick way to open your inbox without typing a web address or digging through bookmarks. We'll use Google Chrome's built-in shortcut feature, which creates a desktop icon you can double-click like an app. Start by opening Google Chrome and navigating to Yahoo Mail. If you are already signed in, you'll see your inbox. If not, just make sure the Yahoo Mail page is loaded before moving on. Keeping the correct page open helps Chrome create the right shortcut with the right icon. Now look to the top right corner of Chrome and click the 3 vertical dots to open the browser menu. This is where Chrome keeps most tools and settings. From that menu, hover over or select More Tools. Then choose Create Shortcut. This brings up a small window that controls how your shortcut will behave. In the name field, type Yahoo Mail so the shortcut is clearly labeled on your desktop. You'll also see an option called Open as Window. Turning this on gives you a dedicated app-like experience. Yahoo Mail opens in its own clean window without the standard browser tabs and address bar. If you prefer everything in one browser with tabs, leave this unchecked. Either way works. It's just a matter of how you like to organize your workspace. Once you've named it and decided whether to open as a window, click Create. Chrome will instantly generate the shortcut and place it on your desktop. You should now see a Yahoo Mail icon ready to use. Double-click it anytime to jump straight into your inbox, saving you a few clicks every day. If you enabled Open as Window, Yahoo Mail will launch in a focused window that feels like a standalone app, which can help reduce distractions from other tabs. If you left that option off, the shortcut will open Yahoo Mail in a regular Chrome tab, keeping everything within your existing browser window. That's all there is to it. You've created a simple, reliable way to access your email faster. Using tools already built into Google Chrome, the shortcut will stay on your desktop until you remove it, and it will always take you to Yahoo Mail with a single double click. It's a small change that can make checking email a lot more efficient. Thanks for watching.